All right, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna be doing our second day of announcements on the holiday giveaways. So again, guys, yesterday's video, I announced I'm gonna be giving away the December box from Glove Box, this Ultimate Wash and Wax Kit from Meguiar's, and this Adams holiday kit. Now, as I said, the winner of that video will be announced 48 hours after that was released. So that announcement will be made tomorrow. And guys, really quickly, before I get into today's giveaway, I wanna make sure all of you remember, please be careful. There are scammers that comment on the YouTube comments, basically saying that you won. It'll say like, text me on Telegram or something like that. That is not me. Don't fall for any of the scams. It's unfortunate that people do that, but it is what it is. If you win, I will announce it on video and then I'll reach out to you directly as well. But yeah, don't fall for any of the scams, so be careful out there. Now, for today's giveaway, we're gonna be doing it a little bit different on how to actually win. So for this giveaway, I'm giving away an MJJC Foam Cannon Pro version 2. It's the latest and greatest version from them. This is my favorite foam cannon, guys. I think all of you know that already. But it gets a ton of foam. It gets the most foam out of all the others. That one, the MTM and the Griot's Boss all got similar amounts of foam, but those ones got more than everybody else. And this one's just the best price point. So I highly recommend this thing. You can change the spray pattern from vertical to horizontal. It has a nice soft silicone tube, so no matter how you angle it, the solution has a little weighted ball too, so it stays in the solution. Just a fantastic foam cannon. Now, in order to win this giveaway, guys, make sure you go over to the video that I did a review of that foam cannon. I'm gonna link it up here for you guys. Go check out that video, and on that video, comment, "I want to win." And I'll be selecting the winner from those comments on that video that say, "I want to win." Also, please remember, this is US based only. So if you're out of the US, I apologize, but just for shipping purposes, you have to be in the US. And last but not least, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Also, follow me on Instagram. You don't have to follow me on Instagram to win this contest or anything like that. I understand some people don't want to have a bunch of social media. Totally understandable. I'm not gonna deny you the chance to win because you don't have an Instagram, but I would appreciate it if you do go follow me on Instagram. But that's it for today's video, guys. Make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and go check out the other video and comment, "I want to win," for a chance to win. Thanks, guys. We'll see you soon.